Welcome to Week 5 of the Quality Management course. To begin, click on the Weekly Modules Content area. Next, click the Module 5, Chapter 5, Competitive Advantage and Strategic Management for Performance Excellence folder. As always, we begin with the learner objectives for the week. Next, we have the assignment summary, which is review this video, read Chapter 5, and review the Chapter 5 PowerPoint presentation. The assignment is to complete the peer-to-peer discussion, lean thinking, and the 7 waste, and complete the Chapter 5 quiz. Next, we have the instructional content, which includes this video, the Chapter 5 reading, and the PowerPoint presentation for Chapter 5. Next, we have the peer-to-peer discussion, lean thinking, and the 7 waste. Within this discussion board, you will create an initial post pertaining to a process with which you are familiar where one of the 7 wastes occurs. The process can be work-related or in your home. Your initial response must address the following questions. Describe the process. Which of the 7 wastes did you observe? How could the waste be eliminated? And as always, you want to respond to at least 3 other students. Lastly, we have the Chapter 5 quiz for this week. That concludes the video. As always, reach out to the instructor if you have any questions or concerns. Have a great week.